You just booked an Alaska cruise for 2026 and you think you know what to expect. Glaciers, wildlife, stunning scenery, cool temperatures, and you are absolutely right. But here's what nobody is telling you. Alaska is not like any other cruise destination on the planet. And the mistakes cruisers make before they even board, completely different from Caribbean mistakes and way more expensive. Let me be clear. The things I'm about to share are what the cruise lines won't put in your booking confirmation and what most travel guides completely skip over. By the end of this video, I'm giving you the real playbook for Alaska in 2026. Let's do this. Alaska cruises in 2026 are selling out faster than ever, and here's why that matters to you. More passengers means more competition for the best excursions, the best cabin views, and the best wildlife moments. And the majority of those passengers are showing up completely unprepared. Alaska rewards the cruisers who know what they're getting into before they arrive. So here are the secrets nobody tells you before you book, starting with the one mistake that ruins the trip for almost every first-time Alaska cruiser. Secret number 1, Alaska weather will betray you if you're packing like a Caribbean cruiser. It's a completely different world. This is the number 1 mistake first-time Alaska cruisers make. They know it's going to be cooler, so they throw in a light jacket. And then they're standing on the deck in Ketchikan in 50-degree sideways rain, absolutely miserable, wondering where their vacation went wrong. Here's the real truth about Alaska weather. It changes every 20 minutes. You will have sunshine, fog, rain, and wind, sometimes all in the same afternoon. The average summer temperature across Alaska's cruise ports runs between 45 and 65 degrees, and the rain is not a light drizzle. It is serious, consistent, and cold. Here's the playbook. Pack a real waterproof rain jacket with a hood, not a windbreaker, a proper rain jacket. Bring waterproof footwear for every single short excursion. Layer your clothing, a thermal base layer, a fleece mid-layer, and a waterproof shell on top. And grab a dry bag for your camera and phone before you leave home. Sea spray and rain will find your electronics if you let them. Alaska will be the most stunning thing you have ever seen, but only if you are prepared to be out in it, not hiding inside the ship from it. The right gear is your ticket to adventure. Secret number 2, which side of the ship your cabin is on determines what you actually see in Alaska. This is huge, and most travel agents won't tell you this when you book. Unlike a Caribbean cruise, where both sides often see similar stretches of blue, in Alaska, your cabin location is not about pool access or noise levels. It is entirely about scenery. Getting it wrong means staring at open ocean while everyone on the other side of the ship is watching glaciers carve in real time. For inside passage sailings going northbound from Vancouver or Seattle, you want a cabin on the port side. That's the left side of the ship. This side faces the majestic mainland, offering views of the majority of glaciers, fjords, and coastline as the ship moves through the passage. Southbound sailings flip it. You'll want the starboard side, which is the right side of the ship, to keep that incredible coastline in view. This is where things get interesting. When you book, specifically request your cabin position based on your sailing direction. Call your travel agent or the cruise line directly and ask portside for northbound, starboard for southbound. This 1 5-minute phone call could be the difference between waking up to a glacier view every single morning and waking up to open water. Real quick, if this video is already saving your Alaska cruise, smash that thumbs up button right now. It takes 1 second and it sends this video to thousands of other Alaska cruisers who need to hear this. Drop a comment below. Have you already booked your Alaska cruise? Tell me which ship you're on. I read every single one. Now let's keep going. This next one is the one most people find out about too late. Secret number 3. The best Alaska shore excursions sell out 6 months before you even step foot on the ship. Alaska is not a destination where you casually browse the excursion desk on day 2 of your sailing. By then, it's simply too late for the most sought-after adventures. The experiences that people fly thousands of miles to have, helicopter glacier hikes, whale watching in Juneau, float plane tours, Mendenhall Glacier kayaking, the White Pass train to the Yukon, these are gone months in advance. In 2026, with record Alaska cruise bookings, the best excursions are selling out faster than ever before. Now this one catches a lot of people off guard. The moment your online booking portal opens, usually 90 to 120 days before sailing for most cruise lines, go straight to shore excursions before anything else. Book your glacier excursion. Book your whale watching tour. Book your train ride. Do it before specialty dining. Before the spa. Excursions first, everything else second. And for Juneau specifically, book a whale watching excursion no matter what else is on your list. Juneau has some of the highest humpback whale density in the world during cruise season. It's a truly breathtaking spectacle. Missing it because you waited is a mistake you will not forgive yourself for. Here's the other thing nobody tells you. Third-party providers like Vieta and Shore Excursions Group offer many of the same Alaska experiences at 30 to 40% less than the cruise line price. We're talking smaller groups, more personal interactions, and often a better overall value. And reputable operators guarantee they will get you back to the ship on time, or they cover your transportation to the next port. Same safety guarantee, better experience, lower price. Here's the bottom line. Alaska is not a passive cruise destination. It is wild, it is raw, and it rewards the cruisers who showed up prepared with the right gear packed, the right cabin booked, and the right excursions already locked in before anyone else got there. Don't pack like a Caribbean cruiser, don't let a travel agent put you on the wrong side of the ship, and do not wait until you're on board to think about excursions. Drop a comment below which of these 3 secrets surprised you the most, and tell me which Alaska port you are most excited about. Your comment will literally help thousands of other cruisers planning their 2026 Alaska trip. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We have a lot more cruise secrets coming your way. Thanks for watching and have an amazing cruise.